cracked tiles and uneven floors, a nightmare for builders and homeowners alike. That's where the IndoorTech FlexBone 2E completely changes the game. This smart underlayment system creates a floating layer between your tiles and the floor underneath, meaning it's not glued down. It's free to move and flex without passing stress to your tiles. No more cracks, no more damage from shifting floors or temperature changes. Just perfectly stable, long-lasting tile work every single time. The mat's special cavity design locks in mortar for incredible grip while allowing moisture to escape safely through the joints, keeping everything dry and secure. It installs faster, skips the messy prep work, and even lets you replace tiles easily later without damaging what's beneath. That's real innovation, saving time, reducing costs, and ensuring durability that lasts for years. IndoorTech FlexBone 2E, because flawless floors should be effortless. Blasting rocks without explosions. Yes, it's real. Meet Betonamit, the mind-blowing non-explosive demolition agent that cracks rock and concrete silently. Just mix it with water, pour it into drilled holes, and watch as it expands with massive internal pressure, splitting even the toughest rock apart with no noise, no shockwaves, and no flying debris. It's totally safe, easy to use, and doesn't need any special permits or explosives license. Whether you're breaking boulders, demolishing concrete, or working in sensitive areas, Betonamit does it all, quietly and precisely. And here's the genius part. It works in any position, downward holes, sideways holes, even upward ones. In hot weather, cracks appear in hours, not days. Strong, clean, and eco-friendly. This is demolition redefined, pure power without the boom. Japan is redefining construction with something extraordinary. Cross-laminated timber, or CLT. Imagine entire buildings made from thick wooden panels layered in different directions for unmatched strength and stability. These panels are crafted off-site and delivered ready to assemble, meaning faster builds, cleaner sites, and less waste. CLT doesn't just hold up the structure, it becomes the structure, eliminating the need for extra materials and giving a natural, modern aesthetic that feels alive. Used in homes, offices, and even multi-story apartments, it combines the warmth of wood with the durability of concrete. The result? Lighter, greener, and stronger buildings that go up in record time while cutting carbon emissions drastically. Even in tight Japanese cities where space is scarce, CLT proves that innovation can rise vertically, beautifully, and efficiently. It's not just construction, it's a glimpse into the future of sustainable architecture. Cracks in concrete or brick walls? Don't panic. Tito Solution staples are here to literally stitch your walls back to strength. These genius staples reinforce and stabilize damaged surfaces by bridging across cracks, locking both sides together like industrial-strength stitches. Just cut a small groove, insert the staple, fill it with mortar or epoxy, and boom, that crack is sealed tight and stronger than ever. Each staple grips deep into the material, just combining solid anchoring with bonding power to stop cracks from spreading. They come in different sizes, designed for anything from hairline fractures to wider breaks, whether it's concrete, brick, or stone. The result? Long-lasting repairs that can flex under pressure and keep your structure rock solid. Simple, smart, and unbelievably strong. That's Tito Solution staples. Tired of working with your arms above your head till they burn out? The Hilti XOS exoskeleton changes everything. This genius shoulder support device uses pure mechanics. No batteries, no motors, just smart engineering with springs and cables that shift the strain from your shoulders down to your torso and hips. It's lightweight, only about 5 pounds, yet built to handle full-day use with comfort padding and adjustable straps for a perfect fit. When you lift your arms, the system kicks in, holding them up effortlessly so you can keep working longer, faster, and without pain. Perfect for electricians, builders, and anyone working overhead. Studies show it can cut shoulder muscle effort by nearly 50%. No charging, no downtime, just pure support that feels like power you can wear. Hilti XOS. Work smarter, feel stronger, and never let fatigue win again. Meet the Delta Beam, the engineering marvel that's changing how buildings are built. This isn't just a beam. It's a smart structural system that works seamlessly with concrete, steel, or even timber floors to create massive open spaces without a forest of columns getting in the way. It hides inside the floor, keeping the structure invisible and sleek, which means more space, less height, and lower construction costs. Before the concrete even sets, the steel beam holds strong on its own. Then, when the concrete hardens, they fuse together, becoming one incredibly stiff, load-bearing powerhouse. Fire resistance? This thing can withstand heat for up to 4 hours, no extra protection needed. And because it's factory-made with precision engineering, every beam delivers unmatched strength, safety, and efficiency. The Delta Beam doesn't just support buildings, it supports the future of smarter, faster, and stronger construction. Forget concrete. Meet the Solidor Liftsol Screw 65F, the groundbreaking way to build decks and terraces without digging, drying, or waiting. This 25-inch powerhouse anchors straight into the soil, creating a rock-solid foundation that's ready to build on instantly. No concrete, no mess, no waiting for it to set. Each kit comes with adjustable plates, extension rods, and adapters so you can level any surface, even on uneven ground. Need extra height? Just add a rod. It's that simple. The best part? You can take it apart anytime without tearing up your space. Perfect for decks, terraces, or anywhere concrete just won't work. Strong, fast, and fully reusable. Solidor Liftsol 65F turns foundation work into pure innovation. Formwork that you never have to remove? That's the magic of Pekafil, a revolutionary construction solution combining the strength of steel with the durability of polyethylene film. Each panel is built from a tough steel wire mesh wrapped in protective plastic, holding its shape perfectly during concrete pours. No bending, no mess, no delays. It's lightweight, easy to cut or bend on site, and installs fast with simple tools, saving huge amounts of time and labor. Once the concrete sets, Pekafil stays in place, meaning there's no stripping, cleaning, or storage needed afterward. That's zero waste, zero hassle, and total efficiency. Perfect for foundations, slabs, curved edges, and beams. It acts as both formwork and a permanent barrier between concrete and soil. Even better, the plastic film is partly recycled, making it a smart, eco-friendly choice for modern construction. Pekafil, faster, cleaner, stronger, and greener construction made real. Imagine a ceiling that's lighter, smarter, and stronger than ever before. The Smart Slab from ETH Zurich is redefining concrete engineering. Covering over 860 square feet, this masterpiece is made from 11 perfectly fitting pieces that span 39 feet, yet it's 70% lighter than a traditional slab. How? Its thickness changes only where strength is needed, from less than an inch to just 5 inches, saving massive amounts of concrete without losing durability. And get this, it's built with integrated channels for air, electricity, and plumbing, meaning no messy false ceilings or wasted space. Thanks to cutting-edge computer modeling and 3D printed sand molds, every curve follows the natural flow of force, creating a structure that's not only efficient, but absolutely stunning to look at. This isn't just concrete, it's the future of sustainable, intelligent architecture come to life. No mortar, no glue, no problem. Meet Facade Click, the revolutionary Belgian system that's changing how walls are built forever. Instead of messy cement, it uses precision plastic connectors that let bricks simply click together, perfectly aligned, strong, and stunningly clean. Each brick locks from the top and sides, creating those flawless, narrow joints architects dream of. The result? Walls that are not only twice as strong as traditional ones, but can be built faster, even in rain or freezing cold. No drying time, no stains, no waiting around. And get this, every brick and connector can be taken apart and reused, drastically cutting waste and slashing carbon emissions by up to 50%. It's a cleaner, smarter, greener way to build, giving construction a new future one click at a time.